everyone, finally we are with the most popular product Maggi. So let's check it out. This one is 280 gram pack, MRP is 58. I got it from Amazon for 45 and the link is given in the description box. It has total 4 Maggi cakes and one serving is 75 gram. So here one Maggi cost us around 11 rupees and the pack has little bit of broken pieces, but otherwise all 4 Maggis are fine, not broken at all. And there are 4 masala packets separately, one packet for each cake. Let's cook it. I like my Maggi plain without any extra spices or veggies, just that classic old school Maggi. For one Maggi, take 100 ml of water and to the boiling water add Maggi, then the masala packet and let it cook. They say it take 2 minutes, but it take at least 5 minutes to cook properly. So here is my perfect plain Maggi ready. The noodles are perfectly cooked. A little bit of chewiness that makes Maggi special, and I feel that the real taste of Maggi come through only in plain Maggi. Overall, Maggi is Maggi, fine for an occasional treat, not for daily consumption. Hope you find the video useful. Subscribe for more. Bye bye.